yeah, so we have our parse. How do we control them now? Well, with Beam and with the plugins here. So again, in the user library, the first time you start up Beam, it installs the control surface for Beam and the plugins for Beam into the user library. So here I have 3 instruments, of which I'm just going to use the par instrument. I'm going to put it on this second MIDI channel. Let's get rid of the first one. And with this first drop-down menu, I can select from the list of tags that I have in my patch. I currently have 1 tag. I called it all parse because it controls all parse. All parse are assigned to that tag. So now I can control all the parse that belong in that tag with this one device here. And let me just full screen this or something. Go away, redness. What is this? Oh, well. Oh, now I changed the angle. Oh, well. Let's turn on the light. Oh, yes. We are looking at something that is not... oh, that's the bottom of the stage, I think. Oh, it's a wall. There we go. That's the stage. Okay, we're back. We're back. Okay, so we have intensity here. And as you can see, very simple. I can now use this intensity knob to control the intensity for all the parts. How can I make this musical? Well, we have a little envelope section down here, which responds to MIDI. So I can create a MIDI clip, and yeah, now the real question is, what MIDI notes are they going to respond to? Well, that's something you can configure in Beam. So here we see that the first set of parts is being controlled by C3 within that tag group. The second group is C#3, D3, D#3, etc., etc. So let me turn off the intensity here and go back to the MIDI clip. And now I'm just going to trigger the C3. That's a pair of pars. And as you can see, I can trigger all these pars now with different notes. And they all follow the same envelope, which means they take equally long to fade out, which is musical in this case as well, because it has a release set in beats once again. So the fade out time again is 1 beat. So I don't know. We could probably create something interesting here, just real quick. Yep. I don't know. Let's go up here. And there we go. We have our little sequence.